Hey guys, Ben Maddox here at Johnson RV. We are in beautiful Gilroy, California. I'm actually from our main store in Sandy, Oregon, but down here visiting with you guys because we want to show you what we do best, which is premium used inventory. We actually specialize in a product called Leisure Travel, built in a little town called Winkler, Manitoba up in Canada. Today we're going to show you a prime example of what we do best. This is a gorgeous 2017 premium pre-owned Leisure Travel Unity. This is our Murphy bed, which is their flagship model. They built it first in 2009 and it's still their best seller today. So today we're going to be looking at this 2017 low mileage, great condition. We back everything with a 60-day warranty on our house appliances, so you can have that peace of mind when you go out using it for the first couple months. We're going to start out on the outside looking around some of the key features and show how beautiful this unit is, and then we're going to take a look at the inside. So first and foremost, we're going to start with the chassis. It's built on our 1-ton Mercedes Sprinter chassis. It's a 3-liter V6 BlueTech diesel motor. Gets about 14 to 16 miles per gallon, so very economical for this size of an RV. You can notice it's got the Alcoa aluminum wheels, perfectly milled, perfectly round, which means you're going to get a true ride, more consistent and more stable going down the road. Leisure Travel does a full body paint. This is their silver paint, by far the most popular color you're going to see on all of their Unity colors. They do have these nice fiberglass steps with a non-slip grip getting in and out of your cab area there. This is your main entry door. You see it's got an electric step with that same little grip on it. In 2017, they did offer this keyless entry. There's a battery in there, so you can set the code yourself and just reset it. If you look at the outside, you can see these vacuum bonded fiberglass walls. They have a little bit of a curve in them, so it's a little bit more aerodynamic going down the road. Most of your RVs out there with a cutaway chassis just look like a box, like a bread box going down the road. So these are nice, sleek, economical going down the road. So they got fiberglass doors on your storage compartments. You can see your 2,000 watt inverter in there. You see these storage compartments are lined, so it's going to keep things nice and warm and toasty in there. Outside, you're going to see you got a power awning. You've got your LED light strip and a little LED patio light. You got your 110 outlets there, so you can plug in any appliances. This is the outside of your fridge and freezer, just service panels there. Rear dually. When you get the Alcoas, you've got these inside valve extensions, so easy to fill up your inside rear dually. Outside of your furnace, that's going to get hot when it's on. Don't touch that. Got these nice latches, nice and tight, hold that compartment. You've got your generator here. They did have an optional diesel generator, but the most popular one was your LP gen, a little bit quieter, cleaner, higher wattage. This is the main storage compartment on your Murphy bed, so you can store your golf clubs, fishing poles, whatever. Nice and tall. It's heated inside. You've got these nice little built-in storage compartments. Get this guy open. Check out one more. Nice little storage compartment there. You have this rear fiberglass mold, adds a couple more inches from the previous model year, so you're going to have a nice big bathroom inside. They actually went to a 2-piece fiberglass, so if you get a little bump here, you don't have to replace the whole thing. You just replace the lower cap there. 5,000-pound rated tow hitch. You got all the trailer wiring and everything. Nice bright LED lights. Built-in backup camera integrated right into the fiberglass mold. Got all of your utilities on your driver's side conveniently located. Easy to hook up. Get your water. Your black tank flush, you got your macerator. That was an option, which is an easy way to dump your black tank. It's going to grind it up, pump it out, nice and clean. Truma on-demand hot water heater. You open this guy up, you can see it's got a 1-liter reservoir in there, which is going to keep that hot water ready to go at any given time. So you and the missus can get your shower in. And then you got your 30-amp shore power connection. Here's your slide. This is a custom-built slide box, so you don't have to worry about this thing going out on you. In 2017, they did have your storage compartments built right into the slides. You don't have to duck up underneath there and whack your head. You do have a backup standard 3.5-inch sewer hose. That's where you store it, right there. All right, Nick, let's go check out the inside of this beautiful 2017 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed. Again, my name is Ben Maddox. I'm out of our Oregon store in Sandy, Oregon, but I'm here in beautiful Gilroy, California. Come visit us. All right, come on in, Nick. I've got Nick Gunderson behind the camera. He's my professional videographer. All right, so come on inside. Let's take a look around. First, I want you to glance at the cab area here. So you can see in 2017, they actually had the integrated multimedia system where you can hook up your phone for Bluetooth. You got navigation. You've got some hands-free functions there. This does have your lane assist. So a couple little driver assistance features. There is solar. You've got your little control panel up there. You're most likely going to have a couple hundred watts of solar. You've got a surround sound, a Bluetooth Jensen stereo system. You got your speakers built right in. Padded vinyl ceilings, that helps with insulation, keeps the acoustic level down so it's nice and quiet driving down the road. That's what a lot of leisure travel customers talk about, is how pin quiet this is going down the road. It's like a custom built condo on wheels. So just some color things. You've got espresso cabinetry, which is the darker of all the cabinetries, but there was an option for these beautiful white uppers. This is a material called Phoenix or Phoenix. So it's a veneer, which is very durable, easy to clean. You got the Antarctica white counters to match. You've got this built-in big flat screen TV, which is going to pop up out of the counter here. A little pop there. And then when you want to watch a little logs and fire, when you push it down, you've got this little glass window here. Give yourself a little bit of ambiance. This does have the optional Leisure Lounge Plus, which is your electric reclining chairs. You have this little pop-up cocktail table. These guys, I'll spin one for you so you can see what it's like. So they spin towards each other. And then and this guy stays in that up position. You've got a table that pops down on top so you guys can face each other and have dinner. And then when you're ready to go to bed, you turn your little latches here and the whole bed comes down. That's your Murphy bed. It's got a little foot part, so it just flips out. And it's a nice residential pillow top mattress. So very nice to sleep on. And that's a big reason why this is the most popular model. Big bed, big bathroom. But before we get to the bathroom, just want you to see a couple more features. So you've got good sized kitchen here, kind of snug in the corner, but you have a counter extension, so a lot of prep space. Built-in garbage receptacle right there, easy to pull that out. You've got all your frameless windows you can open up so you can still get airflow and not have to worry about water coming inside. All the storage underneath. Nice big deep stainless steel sink. Big fridge and freezer, and this year they had separate fridge and freezer. So you've got all that place for the ice cream and popsicles. Microwave convection oven, nice big slide out pantry that you can access from either side. And coming into our bathroom, you've got a nice big wardrobe. So you got plenty of room there with a shelf built in. Nice pull out drawers. Got some storage up above the outside compartment there. And then here's our big, beautiful bathroom. Check out this shower, Nick. Look at the LED lights built in. It's gorgeous. Look at my elbow room. I'm 5'9", skylight. You could easily be 6'5" and fit in here, no problem. Not a lot of RVs you can do that in. So a lot of great things to love. I mean, we could talk about this for probably another hour, but I want to spend some time with you guys. So please come in here to Johnson RV in Gilroy, California. We love to show you this RV or any others that are going to suit your needs better. But come ask for either Ben Maddox, Nick Gunderson, or any of the other professional outfitters here. We're here to help you.